sobrang dami natin kailangan gawin today. So,
because I wanna get coffee. I also have leftover rice. Buko sa outfit ko right now. Making the most of it too. Guys, I am here in BGC and ang agenda natin today ay magpapatrim and if possible magpa-color ng hair. Kasi 2024, pina-jet black ko yung buhok na to. So, gusto ko na din siya lagyan ng color pero if ever naman dark brown lang kasi yun lang yung pwede sa duty. But we'll see kung matutuloy talaga yung pagiging black ng hair ko. Bagay pa naman yung buhok ko sa outfit ko right now. But anyway, I am excited. This is a collab with Perique Salon, as far as I know, ganun yung pronunciation niya. But you know, we'll see. And I'm so excited kasi it's a Korean salon. So, I just know I'm gonna get the best treatment. Guys, sobrang ganda naman dito.
so this is just our client forms. You can just fill out the highlighted ones po. And then for this one po, it's just our basic contract. You can just browse through it. And dalawang copies po to just so that you have a copy as well po.
Thank you! Guys, kakatapos ko lang dun sa salon and I like my hair so much. It's so natural. Kasi diba, I got jet black hair and I just wanted like a lighter, dark color. So they did it so well. And I also got the haircut that I wanted. Sobrang professional nila and they know what they're doing. And gusto ko yung sa salon na they don't wanna go overboard. Like, they give what you ask for. To be honest, I wasn't expecting a lot kasi nga nag-jet black hair ako 2 years ago. So I just like the way it ended. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me but I'm here at Burnt Bean. Dito na ako magla-lunch. And akala ko sa akin. I ordered one of the dishes that I've been wanting to try from them, so I'm so excited to taste it. I'm taking advantage of the weekday and the same day na wala akong pasok because usually dito sa Burnt Bean pag weekend, daming nakapilang tao. So, I'm gonna take this to actually try the food that I wanted to try. Okay guys, I got my order. I got my salmon bowl, so let's go and try it. So soft. Grabe, sarap. Ang sarap sobra. Guys, nandito ako sa restroom nila. And ang cute ng restroom nila. Outfit check na din to, guys. Ang ganda na yung restroom nila kasi like yung dalawang lights maganda sa camera. Diba? Cute. Dito sa restaurant, tinanong ako kung ako daw ba yung nagpo-promote or influencer ng mga motor dahil daw sa outfit ko. Tapos kanina, dun sa salon, sabi nila kamukha ko daw si Hazel. Hindi ko alam kung sino Hazel yung minimi nila. Ang dami ko talagang kamukha. Guys, hinintay ko lang yung motor and then pauwi na ako. Hi guys! Hi guys! Wow, energy! So kahapon diba nagpa-color ako ng buhok and ngayon ini-style ko siya kasi lalabas ulit ako and magpapa-eyebrow trim, eyebrow shave, eyebrow whatever. Basta parang magpapa-trim ako ng brows kasi iba pa rin talaga when I get it professionally done versus whenever I just do it by myself. So, that's what I plan on doing today kasi wala akong duty, suspended ulit. Pero it's not raining that hard. And yun mo yan yung problema ngayon eh. I mean, I know the weather is just, you know, a short-term period. Pero sobrang pangit ng weather. Hindi talaga natatansya kung kailan talaga sobrang malakas yung ulan. So, ngayon suspended, pero wala akong naririnig na sobrang lakas na ulan. Alam mo yung parang tolerable rain lang. So, I'm going to take advantage of it. And itong binili ko to from TikTok shop. This is Hudek. Tapos, hindi ko pa siya napa-perfect. Ayan. Kasi, kaya nga din ako nagpa-layers is para magawa ko yung face framing layers kasi mas bagay siya sa akin. Kaso nga lang sabi sa akin dun sa salon, yung Korean, si Erum. Oh my gosh, need natin mag-debrief about what happened dun sa Korean salon. Kasi alam mo, going into that place, sobrang ganda talaga. I swear, sobrang ganda dun. Like, feel ko talaga nasa Korea ko and napaka high-end and sobrang professional nilang lahat. And yung mga stylist dun, mga senior stylist dun, lahat sila Korean. And they don't speak Tagalog. And if kaya nila yung English, like super basic, okay, alright, ganyan. Tapos, may translator ate ko. Tapos, magugulat ako kasi parang, wala naman kasi akong friend or I don't know someone who actually knows how to speak full Korean. Also, I don't know anyone who's Korean. Like, I just watch them on K-dramas, ganyan. So, hearing the language ng Hangul was like, wow, what? Parang, ewan, na-shock ako nun. Kasi nagko-Korean lang siya. So, hindi mo talaga siya maiintindihan. Tapos, ang nice kasi yung translator doon, she's Filipino, pero she speaks Korean, English, ganyan. So, parang siya rin yung nakakaintindi sa mga Koreanong andon. So, parang that was like amazing. Okay, ito palang kaya ng powers ko at the moment. Pero, I'll fix this one part here. Sabi doon ng Koreanong hairstylist, or let's just call him Erum. Erum yung name niya as far as I know. Tapos, sabi niya sa akin, I have very thin hair. So, usually layered hairstyle is very difficult for me. Kasi also, parang, paano siya magle-layer talaga if sobrang thin daw ng hair ko. And I get that, I understand. Pero, sabi niya, itatry din daw niya yung best niya. But it worked well naman. I think in this area, ayan. Okay guys, I'll show you one of my problems recently. It's the fact na sobrang dami kong damit and wala pa akong mapaglalagyan kasi yung cabinet ko pala, kailangan pala niya ng martilyo, ng screw, ng barena. Eh wala naman ako nun. So it was my fault na hindi ako nagpa-set up sa IKEA. So I think kailangan ko pang tawagan yung IKEA para i-set up nila yung cabinet ko. I think kapag magpapa-assemble ako sa kanila, it's 12% of the original product price. So, I bought the cabinet for like 8K. So, that's 12% yun yung babayaran ko para ma-assemble nila dito. But I haven't called yet, but I might just call my friends if they have the stuff for that. Anyway, moving on. This is the outfit for today. It's so cute. I'm wearing my school shoes kasi this is from Hush Puppies. If you watched my reel sa Instagram and sa TikTok, binili ko to sa Hush Puppies. Tapos alam niyo ba yung kwento doon? Nakalagay doon sa sole ng shoes na to na ang price is 4.8. Tapos nung in-scan na sa cashier, it's 5.4. And I'm like, huh? Dapat kasi, kung anong nakalagay na price sa shoes, yung dapat yung price. Pero hindi na nagreklamo. So, it's fine. Sige na. Pero like, it's so cute. Wait lang. Sorry, magulo kasi. Diba? Ang cute niya. Ayan. But my outfit today. So, ang cute na outfit ko today. I'm very happy. I think in this vlog, makikita nyo yung cabinet ko na tapos na. So, ayun. Let's go! Guys, gusto ko ilagay itong Crybaby, tawag dito? Pendant. Dito sa bag ko. Kasi it's so cute! And also, bagay siya sa cardigan ko kasi it's red. So, perfect siya. Ayan. Okay, one of the reasons why naglakad ako is because I wanna get coffee. So, but first coffee. Spanish latte na lang po. 12 ounce.
10 pesos difference lang yung 12 and 16.
Hindi ko din po maubos eh.
Ayos na.
Pa-ice pa. The ng Sarabman and I'm going to walk to Happy Brows. This is not sponsored, okay? So, papatrend tayo. Guys, tapos na ako doon and like, totally na-trend na yung eyebrows ko. And sobrang nakalimutan ko na ang baba ng pain tolerance ko. Like, pag upo ko doon, diretso agad si Ate Tred. Tapos, oh my gosh, na-feel ko talaga yung pain. Tapos, tinatry ko talagang ikaya yung pain all throughout. So, buti na na-survive ko yun. Kaya hindi din ako nakapag-vlog. Tuloy-tuloy kasi siya. Like, pag upo ko, walang rapport. Like, diretso agad siyang trend. Guys, I'm home now and gusto ko lang i-share na nag-e-trike ako papunta dito sa apartment. Tapos, nainis ako kasi yung e-trike na nasakyan ko. Ang batak magyosi. Grabe talaga. Diyos ko, Lord. As in, the whole ride, tas nag-stop pa siya. So, nag-antay pa siya ng pasahero. So, nag-aantay siya ng pasahero. Nag-yosi siya. Tas grabe, ang baho talaga ng amoy. Siguro yung yosi, number 1 yan sa listahan ko na hindi ko kaya. Like, ayoko talaga sa mga taong nag-yosi. Okay lang na nag-yosi ka. Okay. It's your life. It's your body. Pero if nag-yosi ka, in my vicinity, parang aalis talaga ako if kaya ko. Pero, at some extent, hindi ko naman na kayang umalis dun sa e-trike na yun kasi nakaabot na ako ng bayad ko. Anyway, this is what I bought. So, sa Pedro Hill, bumili ako ng saging kasi nakita ko dun sa kanto may nagbebenta ng saging, may tindero. Tapos bumili din ako ng Krispy Kreme. Kasi kahapon nagkikrave ako ng matamis, like dessert every after meal. So, 3 piraso lang binili ko kasi I feel like it's gonna be too much if bumili ako ng isang box. So, ngayon ang gagawin ko ay magluluto ako ng chicken liver adobo. So, this is my second time cooking chicken liver adobo. The first time was an attempt to make one. And then, kinento ko siya sa pinsan kong mahilig magluto. Like, parang siya yung chef sa family. Tapos, na-proud siya sa akin. Kasi nga, sabi niya, mahirap daw lutuin ng chicken liver. Kasi nga daw, mabilis daw tumigas. So, it's nice daw that it went well. And I'm so happy na binalidate niya ako doon. So, let's make one. Again. Anyway guys, ayan yung aking cabinet. And gustong-gusto ko na talaga sana siya matapos kahapon. Kaso nga lang, 'di ba? Hindi nga talaga natin kaya siyang gawin kasi need ng martilyo, need ng barena as I kwento earlier. So, ngayon stuck muna siya dyan. And yan kasi ang background natin. Ayan. Chopper, I'm gonna make adobo. Miss Mommy, I went outside. Go down. Okay. Wash my hands first. Probably one of the things that I never imagined myself doing is cooking. Never, wala to sa life plan ko guys. I swear. Kahit yung mga parents ko, nung pinadala nila ako dito sa Manila, unang reason nila bakit daw ako magmamanila mag-isa, hindi nga ako marunong magluto, di ako marunong maglaba, ganyan. Di ako marunong maglinis. For me, everything is a learning experience. Kasi lahat natutunan ko based sa experience ko. Pero in some way kasi I believe na I learned most of the things the hard way. So, I don't recommend that phase. Parang if may kaya kang tutunan na in the easy way possible, do it. Like, learn from family, learn from friends. Ako kasi parang nung nahihirapan na ako, tsaka na akong humingi ng tulong. Hindi before. Like, I could have prevented a lot of bad experiences. Pero wala. Na-experience ko siya in the most difficult way as possible. Hi guys, good morning. So, I just woke up. I think I woke up at 7. Tapos natulog ulit ako. And nagising ako ng 9 something. And then I think I completely got out of bed at 10. And wala kasi akong pasok this Friday kasi nga it's a holiday, it's Noy Aquino Day. So I'm making the most of it to regain some sleep. Makabawi lang talaga ng tulog. And I wanna do my skincare. Like, a bit of skin prep and hair prep. Kasi, dito lang ako, I plan on not leaving the house today. So, dito lang ako buong araw. Probably gonna, sa bahay ka lang naman. Bahay ka magsa-sunscreen. It's also important to put sunscreen talaga everyday kahit nasa bahay ka. That's what they say. And I'm just following. There we go. Okay guys, I'm gonna do my breakfast now. Gawan is there. Why are you watching me? Loda, come here. Okay, ayaw niya. So, i-air fry ko lang yung nuggets ko and yung egg ko, i-air fry ko na din. Hindi ko alam bakit before, hindi ko ni-air fry yung eggs ko. I thought kasi na it won't end up well. It wouldn't taste the same as a fried egg. Pero it tastes the same. So, parang nagulat ako sa part na yun. So, like, that's definitely a hack. I also have leftover rice. So, iinitin ko lang siya. Hi, Chopper! Hi! 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 You wanna say hi? Say hi! Hi, 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 hi. Okay, go down. Don't want anyone. Okay. Then, lagay ko lang yung egg dito. And then, it will cook under 10 minutes, 5 minutes, ganun. Also, I remember na after eating breakfast, I'm gonna drink my meds because this is the last day of me drinking antibiotics for leptospirosis. Kasi, may sugat nga ako sa paa and then, lumusong ako sa baha noong Tuesday. Kasi late sila nagsuspend. Sobrang bumabaha na sa lahat, tsaka lang sila magsususpend. Ganon kagaling ang gobyerno natin talaga. So, yung dalawa, yung nuggets tsaka yung egg, andyan na sila sa loob. Cook. While waiting for my rice to heat up then. Okay, I'm gonna watch K-drama while I eat. And di ko na kayo guys sasama. Be right back because mag-aayos tayo ng cabinet ko. Guys, doom scroll na naman ako after ko kumain. So, dapat, inaayos ko na dapat yung cabinet ko. Pero, gusto ko pang matulog. Pero, ang dami natin kailangan gawin today. So, mag-order lang tayo ng kape. Hala! Naklik ko na agad. Okay, ayan, na-order ko na. Kusa na siya nag-click. Pero, alam mo, naiinis lang ako kasi bakit kaya meron pang additional kapag small lang yung order ko? Pakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo to. Merong standard delivery fee, tsaka may small order fee. Ay, yung delivery ko is 29 pesos. Tsaka yung small order fee ko is 24 pesos. Wala pa dun yung VAT. What? What do you mean I have to pay another? It's the same kung mag-order ako ng group. Gets ba? Like, si kuya lang naman. Mag-isa lang naman siya magde-deliver. What's the difference? Hindi ko nagigets. But let's wait for my coffee first. Ayan, kinukulit na naman ako ni Gohan. Ayan, magbe-bedrot muna kami. Let's bedrot, baby. Guys, this is live footage. This is how we usually are. Hello, Kuya. Now, let's put some clothes in my cabinet. Nag-work talaga yung brain ko kapag may kape. So, I have this big echo bag na puno ng damit. And I have 2 big parcels there. Wait, nahulog. Ayan, puno yan ng bagong damit. And then, meron pa akong isang ganito nandun sa balcony that I have to place here sa cabinet. But if everything fails and hindi magkasya, lalagay ko ulit yung mga damit ko. Itong mga to, dito sa ilalim muna ng kama. Kasi, di ko naman na kung saan sila ilalagay. And ang priority ko is, malagay yung mga damit ko sa cabinet. Or, magkaroon sila ng respective lalagyan. So, in the middle of me fixing my wardrobe, nakikita niyo dito, ayan, mali. Hirap na yan siya makalabas. Wow! Wow! Gohan! Gohan talaga. Umalis ka na dyan, please, baby. Gohan, alis na. Please. Ay, nako. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm almost done. The closet. Let's just say na siniksik ko yung mga kailangan isiksik. Kasi ang dami ko talagang damit. And ayun nga, yung pinakita ko dito sa likod ng kama ko is another batch of clothes. And itong, yan. These are scrubs and some of the clothes that I don't wear anymore. So, inista ko muna siya dyan kasi wala akong paglalagyan. And I'm currently in a hospital rotation where hindi kami pinapa-scrub, so I'm not gonna use scrubs for the next month and this month. And ayan, ito, may mga jacket pa ako na nilagay sa likod ng pintuan. And actually, I'm scared kasi, tingnan nyo, parang tumutuklap na kasi siya. Kasi nga, ang dami ko ding jacket. And kahit dun sa main door ko, sa likod nun, may mga sabitan na nilagyan ng jacket. So, hindi talaga nagkasya lahat. And yung iba kong damit na nandito is decluttered na din yung nasa ilalim ng mga scrubs. And I'm going to give it to my mom kasi siya yung magpapamigay ng mga damit. Guys, we are done. We are done fixing my cabinet. So what I'm gonna do next is eat. Kasi I'm so gutom. So we're gonna cook some honey garlic chicken. It's honey garlic chicken. Yun yung nabili ko sa supermarket. So parang marinated na siya. So all I just have to do is fry it or air fry it. So probably fry it na lang. Right, God? Nagpa-pick up ako kanina ng tubig. And this is my last bottle ng water. And wala na akong water. And gusto kong kumain. So bahala na. I'll just probably buy outside. I-reheat ko lang ulit yung kanin ko. And then I'm gonna cook chicken na pinapa-defrost ko. Oh my gosh, may buhok. Okay guys, I totally forgot to vlog but I'm already eating. While I'm eating, I'm actually looking at some of the things that I have to do. So this is for a clinical conference sa anong subject nga to? Clinical conference 1 yung subject. So parang need ng case presentation and 15 pages of parang activities, full of activities while watching The Perfect Crown. So that's the life.
주상만 지켜주세요. 지옥 쏘는 겁니다. 왕실에서도 역사에서도 저만 지키시오.
Guys, huwag tayo maingay kasi natutulog si Gohan. Hulaan niyo kung saan siya natutulog. Sa laptop ko. And sa tingin niya talaga nakasya siya. Hindi siya kasya. Guys, lumabas ako, bumili ako ng tubig. Like, I think nasa mga 7-minute walk yung ginawa ko. So, 14 minutes balikan. So, yan, nakabili na ako ng tubig. Tapos, pagbalik ko, nasa door ko yung isang tub ng tubig. Ay, nako. Yung water bottle ko, 25 pesos. Ito, 50 pesos. It's fine. At least meron akong cold water. Hindi ko kailangan mag-atay ng malamig. So, I am now doing my homeworks. So, kanina na-viewhan na siya. Ang haba kasi, it's like 21 pages na kailangan sagutan and basahin. And it's anatomy and physiology. So, kailangan ko na siyang tapusin para wala na akong iisipin for the next week. Sorry. Kasi the past week ko pa to iniisip. And yung deadlines ay malapit na. Bumagal yung internet ko.
Okay, Chopper, say bye-bye to everyone. Say bye-bye to everyone. Magsipit, uy. Magsipit, uy. Say bye-bye to everyone. Thank you for watching my vlog. Good night. Bye-bye.